Struggling to get a job? Are you having trouble with the interview process? Maybe you can't find any good job to apply for. Well, we're here to help. Here are some tips to help you land that job you've been looking at. When you apply for your job, it's a chance to show off any previous experiences you have to your employer.
Make sure your resume is pretty filled out. Anything helps. So if you volunteered at a homeless shelter, put that on there. If you are in any club, put that on there. Just fill out your resume as much as you can.
If you don't have any previous experience, look for jobs where you can have a reference that will make you more likely to get the job.
My brother actually worked at Sonic, so he gave me a pretty good recommendation, which I didn't even have to actually do an interview. I was just hired on the spot, so pretty good if you have a reference.
When interviewing, the most important thing is to show your employer that you are perfect for the job.
Just be prepared, do some research on the company, know what you're doing.
Making yourself look interested, so they don't think that you're just applying so you can have a job.
You want to show your employers that you want the specific job, not just any job. There's no point in getting hired if you're not going to keep your job. Performing well at your job is essential, not just for your current job, but future job as well.
Really, just ask questions.
If you have any questions, make sure you ask, because I'm sure you would much rather ask a question than get something wrong and get yelled at it later.
If there's anything you're unsure of, be sure to ask for help. It's a much better alternative to getting in trouble. It also shows your employer that you are responsible and you care about your job. We hope this has given you helpful tips. If you need additional tips, try talking to friends who have jobs. Have a good day, Bulldogs.